Hi, my name is Jim McDaniel. I'm with Expert Cleaning Service. Been in the industry since 1983. We've had a request from a couple of people that we work for that we don't do enough videos, so we're going to try and bring one to you today. A lot of you, or all of you, have furniture in your home, but not everybody has us clean their furniture. So we wanted to kind of do a demo for you on a microfiber sofa. Basically a love seat with the center console. We've set our portable equipment up here today because we want to be able to show you the after results or what's actually come off the furniture. Even when furniture doesn't appear to be that soiled, the end result can be quite shocking. We're not going to bore you with cleaning the entire piece on film. We'll probably cut the video and then I'll come back. We'll show you what we did, and then we're also going to be taking some of the wastewater to actually show what came off of the sofa so that you can see firsthand. It's a lot easier to do with a portable unit than compared to a truck mount. Portable units we've been using for many years now. We've taken them up into the high rises or where we don't have access with the truck mount. Most of our houses that we do are with the truck mount. It's the same cleaning process, just a different machine. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be applying a cleaner to this. We're going to be doing a little bit of agitation to it, and then I'm going to be extracting the sofa. And I guess we'll get started. I'm kind of curious, this isn't planned or timed, so we'll see what the end result is together. So again, this is a typical piece of furniture. Microfibers in so many houses these days. It's a really common fabric, but it does hide soil incredibly well, especially if we have pets on it. You know, cats, things along those lines. The oil and things like that just get so embedded in microfiber that it can be quite interesting what comes off of them. Again, we'll cut the video here. We might do a little bit halfway through just to show you a little bit about what's going on, and then we're going to do a finishing video to show you what comes out of the machine. But we'll go ahead and cut it here, and I'll start to work on this furniture. We'll see you soon. Well, we've dumped the water out of the machine. It is quite interesting in there. Just a simple mason jar. I wanted to give you an idea as to what just came out of the machine. That came off a sofa that didn't look that bad. Food for thought, people. We need to maintain our furniture as well as our floorings. Give us a call today. Again, I'm with Jim with Expert Carpet Cleaning. Been in the industry since 1983. I'm a certified master restorer from the IICRC. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.